Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Adventure of the Seas. Now this particular category is a spacious ocean view balcony, 2B, 3B, or 4B. They're all the exact same size and layout. The difference is where they are on the ship and the occupancy. Now let me show you what the room is all about. As soon as you walk in the door, right on the back here, you've got a do not disturb makeup room magnet. So you just put that on the outside if you want them to make up the room, if you head out, things along those lines. Now directly across, you're gonna have your closet. So you're gonna have storage up and down. You've got hanging storage as well. These do come down as well. If you need a few more hangers, just let them know. And if you're tall like me, there's even a little bit of storage space up above as well. Now, directly across, before we head into the restroom, I wanted to point out they've got the breakfast menus here. So if you want to have room service delivered at a certain time in the morning, you just mark that box, put it out the night before. It's really great, especially if you have an excursion in the morning. Now let me take you into the bathroom. It's the same as all of the balconies here on board the ship and all the categories below as well. So I like this shower. It's actually big enough for me to step into. I like that they don't have a shower curtain. These do pull shut and close. So once again, I'm 6'6". You got the shower wand up above. I can move around in here, not a ton of space, but it's never been a problem for me. You've got the toilet tucked around the corner, trash underneath. You've got a little bit of storage there, sink and vanity, and then there's more storage tucked away right here. We head into the main part of the room. You're gonna have a writing desk that doubles as a vanity. There's a large mirror, lights light up on the side. You've got storage on either side. These actually open up. You're gonna have a Euro plug on one side and 2 US plugs. I always bring an extra adapter so that I can utilize every plug in the room. You've got your hairdryer in this drawer and then drawers up and down for storage. You've got your mini fridge tucked just underneath, storage up above, and then right here you're gonna find your safe, big enough for passports, wallets, things like that, but not quite big enough for a laptop. You've got your flat panel TV that you can angle any way you like. You can watch it in bed or from the couch. And then as we continue on, you'll see you have a larger couch. So one of the big differences between a standard balcony and the spacious is the size of the couch. Now they have different configurations. This particular one is just a couch. It does not pull out, but they have ones that pull out to have double bed as well. So this room generally can hold up to 4. Make sure that you check the deck plans. They're all designated exactly which one is which. Now you can see right here, it's put together as a Royal King. They can also separate that out and put the nightstands in the middle. You've got a little bit of storage in the nightstands. You've got a lamp and a reading light in there so you don't disturb your partner when you read. But I did want to point out that there are not any plugs on the sides. So I always bring a backup battery. I charge it during the day and I use it to charge my phone at night. So we're out on your private balcony. And really the reason to have this space, you can have the fresh air coming in. I love to sit, look out at the ocean going by. You've got 2 chairs and a table right here, perfect to have a cup of coffee in the morning, or maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening. Now I did want to point out if you're looking at a standard balcony compared to this, on a standard balcony you're going to have a little less space inside and actually about 4 square feet larger outside. So it's kind of a little bit of a trade-off, but honestly, I prefer more space inside. This is absolutely perfect for us when we're traveling. Now, when you're ready to book your next cruise with Royal Caribbean Group, whether it's Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, reach out to HarTravel. We are your Royal Caribbean Group experts. We know the spaces inside and out, and we have a phenomenal relationship with them. And we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, group, or family at an incredible value.